Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do guys is of course you need to log in your account or sign in your account if you have one. If you have okay. So after logging in it will take you to the chat dashboard. Okay. So after that guys, if you have if you have an appointment or if you need some help to someone else and you want them to send a message and they're not replying and you wanted to make a phone call so that the communication will be easy. So in order to do that guys, so just have to you know as you can see on the screen here in a recent chat, so you can select who's you are going to contact with or making a phone call. So in order to do that guys, you just have to go to this upper right here in the top. So you can see here a phone icon, so you just have to click that one in order for you to make a phone call to the person that you wanted to talk with. Okay, so you just have to click that one, and now it is calling right now. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.